Welcome to our guide on understanding the essentials of credit cards for beginners. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know about credit cards, what they are, their benefits, fees, and risks, how to choose the right one, and how to manage your card responsibly. By understanding how credit cards work, you can not only avoid debt, but actually use them to your financial advantage. A credit card is a financial tool that allows you to borrow money up to a certain limit, called the credit limit, to make purchases or withdraw cash. While they might look similar, credit cards and debit cards operate differently. A debit card uses money directly from your bank account, whereas a credit card provides a line of credit from the issuing bank, which you pay back later. Understanding this differentiation is crucial as it impacts how you manage your money. Some basic terminologies you'll encounter include credit limit, the maximum amount you can borrow using the credit card. Interest rate, APR, the cost of borrowing money on your credit card annually. Minimum payment, the smallest amount you can pay each month without incurring late fees. Now, why should you even consider using a credit card? 1. Rewards. Many credit cards offer rewards like cashback, points, or miles. These rewards are beneficial only if you pay off your balance each month. If not, the interest you pay could outweigh the rewards. 2. Building credit history. Using a credit card responsibly helps build your credit score, which is crucial for future financial endeavors like getting a mortgage or car loan. Think of your credit history as your financial report card. Better grades or scores open up more opportunities. 3. Fraud protection and convenience. If your credit card is stolen, you can report it and aren't liable for unauthorized charges. Plus, credit cards are widely accepted and convenient for online shopping. Credit cards aren't just all perks, they come with a variety of fees and charges that can catch you off guard. These include annual fees. Some cards charge an annual fee just for owning the card. Interest rates, APR. If you don't pay off your balance each month, you'll owe interest on the borrowed amount. Late payment fees. Miss a payment? You'll likely face a hefty late fee. Foreign transaction fees. Make a purchase abroad, and some cards will charge a fee for the currency conversion. These fees can add up quickly. According to recent data, the average APR for credit cards is around 16%, and fees can easily turn the convenience of credit cards into a financial burden. One major pitfall of credit cards is the risk of accruing debt. Given the high APRs, even a small balance can grow, leading to significant debt over time. How can you avoid this? 1. Pay your balance in full each month. Make this a habit to avoid interest charges. 2. Never miss a payment. Set up automatic payments or alarms as reminders to ensure you never incur late fees. 3. Be mindful of your credit limit. Staying well below your credit limit can positively impact your credit score, but maxing out your card regularly? Not so much. Managing a credit card responsibly helps you harness its benefits while avoiding its dangers. So, how do you choose the right credit card? It largely depends on your needs and spending habits. Here are key factors to consider. Interest rates. Look for cards with lower APR if you plan to carry a balance. Fees. Pay attention to annual fees, transaction fees, and late payment penalties. Rewards. Programs. Choose a card that offers rewards you'll actually use, whether it's cashback, points, or miles. Terms and conditions. Always read the fine print before applying. For instance, students might benefit from cards with lower fees and simpler terms, while frequent travelers should look for cards offering travel rewards and no foreign transaction fees. Applying for a credit card is a straightforward process, but requires some prep. 1. Gather required information. You'll need details like your social security number, address, income, and employment details. 2. Check your credit score. Knowing your credit score can help you choose suitable cards and improve chances of approval. 3. Submit your application. Most applications can be done online and provide immediate responses. Once you have a credit card, managing it wisely is crucial. Here's how. Set a budget. Plan your monthly spending, ensuring it's within your ability to pay in full. Track expenses. Regularly review your transactions to avoid surprises. Use statements. Effectively, analyze your monthly statements to understand spending patterns and check for erroneous charges. Building good credit habits is essential. A strong credit score impacts everything from loan approvals to interest rates. Here's how to improve your credit score. Pay on time. Late payments can significantly hurt your score. Set reminders or choose autopay. Keep balances low. High balances relative to your limit can negatively affect your score. Keep old accounts open. The length of your credit history matters. Unless there's a compelling reason, keeping older accounts open can benefit your score. By adopting these practices, you'll not only improve your credit score, but also reap financial benefits down the road. To wrap up, understanding credit cards is essential for financial health. Using them responsibly allows you to earn rewards, build credit, and enjoy convenience and protection. On the flip side, mismanagement can lead to debt, high interest, and a damaged credit score. Choose your card wisely and manage it well to maximize benefits and minimize risks. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your financial journey is important to us, and we're here to help every step of the way.